One of the neat things about this machine is that you can access the bobbin area from the top of your machine. By loosening the knobs, you will be able to slide the insert, creating access to the bobbin area from the top. The first thing you need to do when maintaining your machine is to make sure you brush off all the lint that's come off of your fabric and your thread. By taking the lint brush, you will make sure to clean not only the bobbin area, but also the case underneath. Next, you will need to oil your hook. Now, the wonderful thing is that this is the only place you need to oil your entire machine. You will see right here that there's a small lip. That's the race of the hook. You'll simply place one small drop of oil and you're ready to go. Once your hook is oiled, you will take your bobbin case, making sure that the clip is laying horizontal. You will place it in the hook, push, hear a click, and you're ready to go. To take the bobbin case out, you will pull on the lever. To insert the case, you leave the lever flat. Simply put the case in and push to click.